Good evening, everyone. Good evening to EGRET scholars and to our guest scholars for tonight. Good evening to Seriously, Lydia, Gabby, iPhone, June, Kenny, Patrick. I think iPhone is Adam. Yeah, iPhone, Adam, Patrick, Talia, and Steven. All right, so for tonight we're gonna have your Quizlet live night. Today's Tuesday, so we're gonna review science, and our topic is to edit a planet. All right, so we have 10 students for today. We're gonna wait for 4 more minutes, so we'll start 7:05. It's 7:01 on my clock right now. We're gonna wait for other scholars, for other EGRET scholars and guest scholars to join us for our review. And kindly get your devices, your iPads or your iPhone or your phone or your laptop if you're using your laptop, and kindly key in our game pin for tonight. The game pin is 4655724. Again, our game pin for tonight, 4655724. And again, we're going to review science and technology. Our topic is to edit a planet, right? Now, for those who have their Instagram and Twitter account, kindly follow me here. Okay, here you can see Mitchel Africa there. Hello. Okay. Okay, so we have Audrey. Audrey's here. And again, our game pin for tonight is 4655724. Again, game pin for tonight, 4655724. Two more minutes. Yeah. Okay, so again, your devices, your phone or your iPad, your tablet or your laptop will serve as a clicker, and the questions will be flashed on your screen. So make sure that it's either you have two devices, one for Zoom and then the other one is for your clicker or for your Kahoot, or you can have your iPad and then do the multitasking. You have your two screens. You can do that also. And make sure you have a stable internet connection. If you have any questions and if you're having a problem, just message in the group chat. Okay. All right, I'm going to share my screen. And there we go. All right, so again, our game pin is 4655724. So we have Steven, Lemon is here. Kennick, Seriously, RNS, it's Ditya, right? It's Butterfly, and Talia. Hi. Hello, and Miroku is here. Hi, Miroku. When you ever see lemon in someone else's name. Hello, Youth Lord. Okay, so welcome, Oscar. Again, if you have questions, just message in the group chat. All right, it's 7:05. And let's all welcome tonight's participants, tonight's scholars. We have Seriously or BKX, Angela, Ashton, Audrey, Chopping Chen, Vidya, Gabby, iPhone, or Adam, Junior, Kenny, Oscar, Patrick, Ray, Talia, and Steven. All right, let's get started. Again, our game pin for tonight, 4655724, and we're going to review science and technology. Our topic is to edit a planet. So we have 13 players, and let's get started. All right. Okay. So science and technology. Question number one. What's so good about Einstein-Rosen bridges? Your friend asks, what would you most likely respond with? Again, what's so good about Einstein-Rosen bridges? Your friend asks, what would you most likely respond with? Is it solar sails would be far more effective if they existed? Scientists could ignore special relativity altogether. Warp speed wouldn't be so hard to achieve, or we wouldn't have to tackle human spaces for space. And the answer is scientists could ignore special relativity altogether. One got the correct answer. And Liam is leading with 505 points. Next question. Question number two. The strategic control of the use of the land is called, is it management of land? Is it land of management? Is it land use management, or is it managed use of land? Again, the strategic control of the use of the land is called, is it management of land, land of management, land use management, or managed use of land? The correct answer is land use management. And 8 got the correct answer. Youth Lord is now leading with 940 points. And Steven is the highest climber. Next question. Question number 3. Which two planets are often used as standards when considering if something is a super Earth? Again, which two planets are often used as standards when considering if something is a super Earth? Is it Earth and Uranus? Is it Mercury and Jupiter? Is it Mars and Saturn? Or Venus and Neptune? Again, super Earth. The correct answer is Earth and Uranus. So these two planets are often used as standards when considering if something is a super Earth. Okay? So you already have your clue there, super Earth. So Earth and Uranus. So 6 got the correct answer. And Youth Lord is still leading with 2,000 points. Ready for the next question? Question number 4, fog harps. What are these fog harps? Is it the scattering of chemicals into clouds to bring about rain? Or is it about method of water collection consists of catching the microscopic droplets? Or is it a device which could produce rain by manipulating organ energy, or a shockwave generator used to disrupt the formation of hailstones? Again, what are fog harps? And the correct answer is a method of water collection consists of catching the microscopic droplets. 8 got the correct answer. And Youth Lord is still leading with 3,102 points. And 4 players just hit answers 3-3. Next question. Question number 5. Which of these authors from literature might be interested in human stasis? Is it Alan Steele? Is it Rolf Parley? Is it Joy Harjo? Or is it Charles Simic? Again, which of these authors from literature might be interested in human stasis? Correct answer is Alan Steele. 3 got the correct answer. And Seriously is now leading with 3,890 points. Seriously has a streak with 4 correct answers in a row. Question number 6, the biggest problem resulting from the release of methane from melting permafrost. Is it methane smells like rotting mammoths? Is it methane absorbs carbon dioxide? Is it methane is a powerful greenhouse gas, or methane colors the sky pink? The biggest problem resulting from the release of methane from melting permafrost. The correct answer is methane is a powerful greenhouse gas. 6 got the correct answer. And Seriously still leading with 5,193 points. Seriously has a streak with 5 correct answers in a row. Question number 7, what is the FTL speed? What is the FTL speed? Is this the speed of a bullet? Is this the speed beyond what a naked human eye can see? Or is it 299,792,458 meters per second, or faster than the darts? The correct answer is 299,792,458 meters per second. 9 got the correct answer. And Seriously still leading with 6,556 points. Seriously has the highest answer streak of 6. Next question, cool roots. Is this an aerosol layer primarily made of aqueous sulfuric acid droplets are found? Or is it volcanoes in the Philippines? Its explosion cooled Earth's temperatures? Or is it the release of a type of gas from seas and soils in permafrost? Or is it a system that delivers the ability to reflect the wavelength of the sun? Again, what are cool roots? And the correct answer is system that delivers the ability to reflect the wavelengths of the sun. And 8 got the correct answer. And Seriously is still leading with 6,556 points. Ditya is the highest climber. Next, true or false? Ocean fertilization uses iron sulphate to increase phytoplankton. Again, ocean fertilization uses iron sulphate to increase phytoplankton. Is it true or false? The correct answer is true. 9 got the correct answer. And Seriously is still leading with 7,499 points. 3 players have reached answer streak 4. Next question, number 10. How many years till Antarctica will be habitable at this rate? Again, how many years till Antarctica will be habitable at this rate? Is it 100 years, 1 millennium, 200 years, or 5 years? 3 seconds. And the correct answer is 200 years. All right. All right, next question. Seriously is still leading with 7,499 points. And RNS is a streak with 5 correct answers in a row. Next question. Nitrogen importation might require us to first develop technology in order to, is it export large amounts of unstable gas, affect the trajectory of asteroids, encase a section of a planet in nitrogen-rich cellular material, or modify the DNA of bacteria to produce nitrogen. Again, nitrogen importation. Okay, it might require us to first develop technology in order to affect the trajectory of asteroids. No one got the correct answer. And seriously, still leading with 7,499 points. Next question. Question number 12. If you took part in a tree planting event, which of the following concepts is being applied? Is it carbon sequestration? Is it biochar? Is it land use management or carbon dioxide capture? Again, if you took part in a tree planting event, which of the following concepts is being applied? Is it carbon sequestration? Is it biochar, land use management, or carbon dioxide capture? The correct answer is carbon sequestration. And 4 got the correct answer. And seriously is still leading with 7,499 points. Next question. Question number 13, Dyson Sphere. Dyson Sphere, is it a biological contamination of a planetary body by a space probe or spacecraft? Or is it are these satellites that are designed to change the amount of solar radiation? Or is it a structure that can harvest all possible energy from a star? Or is it a material made to transform an inhabitable planet to become habitable? Again, Dyson Sphere. The correct answer is the structure that can harvest all possible energy from a star. And 5 got the correct answer. And seriously is still leading with 8,381 points. Next question number 14. Which type of clouds does cloud thinning mainly intend to target? Is it cirrus? Is it cumulonimbus? Is it cirrocumulus? Or is it nimbus stratus? Again, which type of clouds does cloud thinning mainly intend to target? Is it cirrus? Is it cumulonimbus? Is it cirrocumulus? Or is it nimbus stratus? The correct answer is cirrus cloud. 6 got the correct answer. And seriously, is still leading with 9,409 points. Next, question number 15, radiative forcing. What is radiative forcing? Is it the amount of change in thermal energy that a given factor causes? Does it refer to manipulating cloud cover to reflect more sunlight back to space? Or is it a heat reflecting sheets that can be used to cover areas and reflect the sun? Or a system that delivers the ability to reflect the wavelengths of the sun? Again, what is radiative forcing? And the correct answer is the amount of change in thermal energy that a given factor causes. And 2 got the correct answer. And next question, question number 16. Ocean upwelling aims to achieve the same goal as what other geoengineering concepts? Again, ocean upwelling aims to achieve the same goal as what other geoengineering concepts? Is it ocean fertilization, GHG removal, high albedo crops, or marine cloud brightening? 3 seconds, and the correct answer is ocean fertilization. 8 got the correct answer. And seriously is still leading with 10,324 points. Next question 17. What is the main criticism of increasing the city albedo effect by painting rooftops? Is it that there isn't enough white paint? or it won't yield much effect, or you can't paint glass buildings, or is it because it's expensive? What is the main criticism of increasing the city albedo effect by painting rooftops? The correct answer is it won't yield much effect. And 9 got the correct answer. Seriously is still leading with 11,217 points. Great job. Which cloud traps heat and should be made thinner with the use of drones? Which cloud traps heat and should be made thinner with the use of drones? Is it cirrus, cumulus, nimbus, or cumulonimbus? Which cloud traps heat and should be made thinner with the use of drones? The correct answer is cirrus cloud. 3 got the correct answer. And seriously is making a comeback with 3 in a row and top with 12,345 points. Question 19, the Kardashev scale compares what two factors? Is it resource efficiency versus population? Is it waste production versus total industrial output? Or is it space exploration versus travel capabilities? Or energy used versus space occupied? 3 seconds. And the correct answer is energy used versus space occupied. 5 got the correct answer. And seriously, still leading. Question 20. Ocean mirror is a concept where boats would create bubble to reflect sunlight. Is it true or false? Again, ocean mirror is a concept where boats would create bubble to reflect sunlight. Is it true or false? Three seconds. Then the correct answer is it's true. The ocean mirror is a concept where boats would create bubble to reflect sunlight. And seriously, is still leading with 13,293 points. Nice. Angela is back with an answer streak of 3. Question 21. John Latham first proposed what geoengineering method? Is it desert reflectors? Is it marine cloud brightening? Is it sun shield? Or is it stratospheric aerosol? John Latham first proposed what geoengineering method? Is it desert reflectors, marine cloud brightening, sun shield, or stratospheric aerosols? The correct answer is marine cloud brightening. 4 got the correct answer. Seriously is still leading with 13,293 points, but black hole is the highest climber. If a geoengineer was traveling to the Arctic, what would they most likely be monitoring? If a geoengineer was traveling to the Arctic, what would they most likely be monitoring? Is it aerosol concentrations? Is it methane levels? Is it sulfuric acid particle amount? Or is it solar radiation fluctuations? If a geoengineer was traveling to the Arctic, what would they most likely be monitoring? The correct answer is methane levels. 7 got the correct answer. And seriously is still leading with 14,173 points. Ditya is back with an answer streak of 3. Question 23, true or false, aerosol injection copies the volcanoes by putting particles in the atmosphere to reflect the sun and cool down the earth. Is it true or false? Again, aerosol injection copies the volcanoes by putting particles in the atmosphere to reflect the sun and cool down the earth. Is it true or false? The correct answer is true. 11 got the correct answer. And seriously is still leading with 15,191 points. Angela has a streak with 6 correct answers in a row. Question number 24. What type of cloud should be thin? Again, this is a trick question. Is it citrus, serious, colors, or showers? You should be getting this already. What type of cloud should be thin? You should be getting this. All right, there are still some who weren't able to answer this. This is the third question, the third time it was asked. The correct answer is Cirrus. 9 got the correct answer. And seriously, is still leading with 16,284 points. Angela has the highest answer streak of 7. Question 25. What is a carbon sink? Is it a place where you wash down carbon? Is it a sink made out of carbon? Or is it places of carbon accumulation? Again, carbon sink is a place where you wash down carbon, a sink made out of carbon, or places of carbon accumulation. And the correct answer is places of carbon accumulation. 8 got the correct answer. And seriously is still leading with 17,387 points. Dalia has a streak with 8 correct answers in a row. Question 26. Hyperspace was popularized by which of these writers? Is it Michio Kaku? Is it John Campbell, Arthur C. Clarke, or all of the above? Hyperspace was popularized by which of these writers? Is it Michio Kaku? Is it John Campbell, Arthur C. Clarke, or all of the above? The correct answer is all of the above. And 8 got the correct answer. Seriously, still leading with 17,387 points, and Divya is back in the game. Question 27. Ocean fertilization uses. Is it iron sulphate, iron chloride, iron oxide, or iron carbonate? Ocean fertilization uses iron sulphate, iron oxide, iron chloride, or iron carbonate. And the correct answer is iron sulphate. And 6 got the correct answer. Seriously is still leading with 17,387 points, and Kenny has a streak with 5 correct answers in a row. What is radiative forcing? What is radiative forcing? Is it the difference between energy absorbed and radiated by Earth? Or is it burning fossil fuels to force Earth's climate to warm? Or is it installing measures to radiate heat away from the Earth? Or summation of energy absorbed and radiated by the Earth? Again, what is radiative forcing? Is it difference between energy absorbed and radiated by Earth? Is it burning fossil fuels to force Earth's climate to warm? Is it installing measures to radiate heat away from the Earth, or summation of energy absorbed and radiated by the Earth? Again, what is radiative forcing? And 3 seconds, the correct answer is difference between energy absorbed and radiated by Earth. 8 got the correct answer. And seriously is leading with 18,045 points. Steven is making a comeback with 3 in a row. Question 29. Why would a person find the name ocean mirror to be counterintuitive? Is it because it's not a place in the ocean? It doesn't reflect light? It's not made out of glass? Or because it's edible? Why would a person find the name ocean mirror to be counterintuitive? The correct answer is it's not made out of glass. 8 got the correct answer. And seriously, still leading Black hole has the highest answer streak of 5. Question number 30. Biochar. Biochar, is this a type of climate engineering based on the introduction of nutrients? Or is it a measure of the total dry mass of organisms within a particular region? Or is it a charcoal produced from plant matter and stored in the soil, or process in which warm surface waters are replaced by colder waters? The correct answer is charcoal produced from plant matter and stored in the soil. 8 got the correct answer. And seriously is leading with 19,935 points, and seriously is back in the game. Question 31, which is not a criticism of desert reflectors. Is it that they may harm desert ecosystems, or they would take up a lot of space, or they would be expensive, or they are not achievable with current technology? Which is not a criticism of desert reflectors. And 3 seconds. The correct answer is they're not achievable with current technology. And 4 got the correct answer. Seriously is still leading with 19,935 points, and Black Hole has a streak with 7 correct answers in a row. Question number 32. Constructing which of the structures would require a Lagrange point? Is it space mirror, solar sails? Is it shell world, or artificial magnetosphere? Constructing which of these structures will require a Lagrange point? 3 seconds. And the correct answer is artificial magnetosphere. 2 got the correct answer. Question 33. The plant or animal material used for energy production is biomass, organic fuel, energy organs, or bio waste. The plant or animal material used for energy production is biomass, organic fuel, energy organs, or bio waste. 3 seconds. And the correct answer is biomass. 12 got the correct answer. And seriously is still leading with 20,815 points. Mini is making a comeback with 3 in a row. Question 34. What is geoengineering? Is it manipulating the Earth's climate system to fight global warming? Is it engineering the Earth to increase appeal and usability of land? Or techniques used for terraforming Mars? Or is it a synonym for geomancy? Again, what is geoengineering? The correct answer is manipulating the Earth's climate system to fight global warming. 8 got the correct answer. 21,568 points. Leading is Seriously, and Steven has a streak with 3 correct answers in a row. Question 35. Which of these methods is the most commonly supported form of solar geoengineering? Is it marine cloud brightening? Is it albedo crops, cloud thinning, or aerosol injection? Which of these methods is the most commonly supported form of solar geoengineering? Is it marine cloud brightening, albedo crops, cloud thinning, or aerosol injection? The correct answer is aerosol injection. And seriously, still leading. RNS has the highest answer streak of 3. Next question. Question 36. What does marine cloud brightening involve? Is it reflecting light into the ocean to make it bluer? Is it making clouds crash into each other, drinking rainwater, or whitewashing clouds? What does marine cloud brightening involve? Is it reflecting, making, drinking, washing? The answer is whitewashing clouds. 7 got the correct answer, and seriously is still leading with 22,388 points. RNS has a streak with 4 correct answers in a row. Question 37, solar radiation. What is solar radiation? Is it radiant energy emitted by the sun from a nuclear fusion reaction, or the percentage of incoming sunlight reflected from a surface? Or is it a process in which warm surface waters are replaced by colder waters, or positive feedback climate process, a change in the area of snow cover? 3 seconds. And the correct answer is radiant energy emitted by the sun from a nuclear fusion reaction. 7 got the correct answer. And seriously, it's still leading with 23,351 points. RNS has the highest answer streak of 5. Question 38. Operation Popeye was an attempt to utilize environment manipulation technology during, is it the Vietnam War? Is it the Hurricane Katrina, the Malayan emergency, or the first Gulf War? Operation Popeye. And 3 seconds. And the correct answer is the Vietnam War. 6 got the correct answer. And seriously, we're still leading. RNS has a streak with 6 correct answers in a row. Next, question number 39. What is the moral hazard of geoengineering? Is it people who will take preventive measures against global warming? Geoengineering might create a climate that is even worse than before. Some of the methods of geoengineering are morally wrong to use, or it will take away people from the service sector of jobs. The correct answer is people will take preventive measures against global warming. Oh, sorry. People will to take preventive measures against global warming. Yes, 5 got the correct answer. Seriously, it's leading. Nice. Question 40. Which of these geoengineering techniques does not involve total encapsulation? Is it aerosol injection? Is it cloud thinning? Is it GHG removal, or high albedo building? Again, which of these geoengineering techniques does not involve total encapsulation? Is it aerosol injection, cloud thinning, GHG removal, or high albedo building? The correct answer is high albedo building. And 4 got the correct answer. And RNS is now leading with 26,746 points and has the highest answer streak of 8. Let me guess, RNS is Ray and Sylvia, right? It's Ray or it's Sylvia, I think. Question 41, pyrolization is a process used in which of these geoengineering techniques? Is it land use management? Is it biochar? Is it carbon dioxide capture, or enhanced weathering? Pyrolization is a process used in which of these geoengineering techniques? The correct answer is the biochar. And 5 got the correct answer. And next question, 42. Albedo effect. Albedo effect is the amount of sun rays heating the Earth's surface, or is it the amount of sun rays absorbed in the Earth's surface? Or is it the amount of sun rays being reflected onto the Earth's surface, or the amount of surface reflect on the sun's rays back into space? 3 seconds. And the correct answer is the amount of a surface reflects rays that the sun's rays back into space. Hint 3 got the correct answer. And RNS is still leading with 26,746 points. Question 43, aerosol injection in terms of the desired effect is most similar to, is it chemtrails from airplanes? Is it heroin injection? Is it spraying on aerosol in the air or a volcanic eruption? Aerosol injection in terms of the desired effect is most similar to, is it chemtrails from airplanes, heroin, spraying an aerosol in the air, or volcanic eruption? The correct answer is it's most similar to a volcanic eruption. And 4 got the correct answer. And seriously is again back with on top with 27,127 points. Question 44, which of these things do we have yet to discover about Kepler 186f? Is it whether it's in the Goldilocks zone, or how long it takes to orbit its star, or the composition of its atmosphere, or its distance from our solar system? Which of these things do we have yet to discover about Kepler 186f? The correct answer is the composition of its atmosphere. And 4 got the correct answer. And seriously is on top with 28,190 points and has the highest answer streak of 3. Next question 45. A loss in ice will lead to a reduction in albedo, release of methane from permafrost and methane hydrates, sea level rise, or all of the answers. A loss in ice will lead to a reduction in albedo, release of methane from permafrost and methane hydrates, or is it sea level rise, or all of the other answers? And the correct answer is all of the other answers. So a loss in ice will lead to reduction in albedo. It will also lead to releasing of methane from permafrost and methane hydrates, and sea level will rise. 9 got the correct answer, and seriously is still on top with the answer streak of 4. Question 46, biochar is biological charisma, biological charcoal, biography of a character, or bisexual char? Biochar is biological charisma, biological charcoal, biography of a character, or bisexual char? Correct answer is biological charcoal. And 9 got the correct answer. And seriously is still leading with 30,493 points. Lemon is here, is making a comeback with 3 in a row. Next question 47. What kind of energy does a cloudbuster absorb? Is it argon, or wrong? What kind of energy does a cloudbuster absorb? Is it argon, or wrong? And the correct answer is argon. 4 got the correct answer. And seriously is still leading, and Miki just hit. Answer streak 3. Next question. Enhanced weathering involves improving the weather using geoengineering, crushing of rocks to increase surface areas of absorption of CO2, or increasing the rate at which weather changes. Enhanced weathering involves improving the weather using geoengineering, crushing of rocks to increase surface areas of absorption of CO2, or increasing the rate at which weather changes. And the correct answer is crushing of rocks to increase surface areas of absorption of CO2. And seriously is still leading with 7 correct answers in a row. Which of these geoengineering phenomena occurs in a positive feedback loop? Is it ice albedo feedback? Is it aerosol injection? Is it radiative forcing, desert, or desert reflectors? Which of these geoengineering phenomena occurs in a positive feedback loop? And 3 seconds. And the correct answer is ice albedo feedback. And 9 got the correct answer. And seriously, still leading. Question number 50. What is weathering? Is it the different processes that break down rocks into soil? Is it internal processes that build up the Earth's surface? Is it the climatic changes in weather, or when acid deposition quickly breaks down monuments? What is weathering? And the correct answer is the processes that breaks down rocks into soil, or the process. We have the different processes. Then got the correct answer. And seriously still leading with answer streak of 9. Question 51. What is cloud seeding supposed to do? Is it create more clouds, eliminate clouds, prevent tornadoes, or increase rainfall? What is cloud seeding supposed to do? Three seconds. And the correct answer is increase rainfall. And 6 got the correct answer. And seriously is still leading, and Steven has the highest answer streak of 7. Question 52. Which of these actions does the outer space treaty not prevent? Is it a nation claiming sovereignty over space? Is it installing weapons of mass destruction on the moon? A nation being granted the sole right to explore the cosmos, or the use of kinetic bombardment on or within celestial bodies? Which of these actions does the outer space treaty not prevent? The correct answer is the use of kinetic bombardment on or within celestial bodies. Then no one got the correct answer. Next question. Orgone energy manipulation was theorized to have allowed which of the following technologies to work? Is it cloud buster, fog harps, hail cannons, or cloud seeding phosphate? Orgone energy manipulation was theorized to have allowed which of the following technologies to work? Is it cloud buster, fog harps, hail cannons, or cloud seeding phosphate? The correct answer is the cloud buster. And 6 got the correct answer. And seriously, still leading. Next question 54. Which musical instrument can be associated with water collection? Is it guitar, flute, drum, or harp? Which musical instrument can be associated with water collection? Is it guitar, flute, drum, or harp? The correct answer is the harp. And 10 got the correct answer. And seriously is still leading. Question 55. Which geoengineering method is related to this character in the Vietnam War? Marine cloud brightening, cloud seeding, ocean mirror, or ocean fertilization? Which geoengineering method is related to this character? And the correct answer is cloud seeding. 6 got the correct answer. And seriously still leading with 37,942 points. Mickey is making a comeback with 3 in a row. Question 56, carbon sequestration. Is it strategic control of the use of the land in order to reduce any impacts? or natural or artificial processes by which carbon dioxide is removed? Is it charcoal produced from plant matter stored in the soil or measure of the total dry mass of organisms within a particular region? What is carbon sequestration? The correct answer is natural or artificial process by which carbon dioxide is removed. And 7 got the correct answer. Seriously? 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 Is still leading with 38,934 points. Seriously is back with an answer streak of 3. Question 57. Someone researching ocean fertilization would benefit the most from also researching about, is it algae growth, biocarbonate ion efficiency, phytoplankton life cycles, or GHG removal methods? If you're researching about ocean fertilization, it will also benefit you from researching the phytoplankton life cycles. 6 got the correct answer. And seriously is still leading with answer streak of 4. Question 58. What's the point of making clouds whiter? What? Is it to make the sky look nicer? Is it to make them deflect more sunlight? To make them disperse faster? Or to decrease the Earth's temperature by making it rain more? What's the point of making clouds whiter? And the correct answer is to make them deflect more sunlight. And 6 got the correct answer. And seriously is still leading with 41,175 points. Steven is making a comeback with 3 in a row. Next question. What does upwelling do? It does nothing. It causes low-level pH waters to rise to the surface. It causes high-level pH waters to rise, or it causes nutrient waters to rise to the surface. What does upwelling do? The correct answer is it causes nutrient waters to rise to the surface. And 4 got the correct answer. And seriously is still leading with answer streak of 6. Next question, 60. Your friend claims that cloud seeding only creates rain. What would you say in response? It can also create hail. It does not create rain, only alters the amount of we receive. Glaciogenic cloud seeding doesn't make rain, or cloud seeding creates the clouds first, then the water cycle takes over. The correct answer is glaciogenic cloud seeding doesn't make rain. And 3 got the correct answer. Question 61. Space sunshades are mirrors that would deflect their sun rays to cool down the planet. What percent should be deflected? Is it 1, 2, 10, or 50? Space sunshades are mirrors that would deflect the sun rays to cool down the planet. What percent should be deflected? 1, 2, 10, or 50? The correct answer is 2. 8 got the correct answer. And seriously, it's the leading. Question 62. What is shown in this image? Is it the ocean nutrient cycle? Is it ocean upwelling, ocean convection current, or the ocean wind cycle? What is shown in this image? Is it ocean nutrient cycle, ocean upwelling, ocean convection current, or the ocean wind cycle? The correct answer is ocean upwelling, and 6 got the correct answer. And seriously, it's still leading, and black hole has the highest answer streak of 3. Question 63. Which of these techniques of environmental manipulation would farmers not benefit from? Is it cloud seeding? Is it fog harps, bioprecipitation, or hail cannons? Which of these techniques of environmental manipulation would farmers not benefit from? Is it cloud seeding, fog harps, bioprecipitation, or hail cannons? The correct answer is bioprecipitation. Only one got the correct answer. Okay, and seriously, is still leading. Kevlar, dirt, and steel are all key material in the construction of, is it space mirrors, planetary magnetospheres, or shell burrows? And space mirrors. And the correct answer is shell burrows. And 2 got the correct answer. Seriously is still leading with 45,248 points. Question 65. If tachyons existed, then which of these concepts would be far easier to comprehend? If tachyons existed, then which of these concepts would be far easier to comprehend? Is it FTO, warp speed, wormholes, or hyperspace? The correct answer is the FTL, and only one got the correct answer. Question 66, Doppler bubble, gravitational lensing, and the transit method are all key considerations in what? Is it defining a Goldilocks zone, calculating a Lagrange point, exoplanet identification, or constructing a solar sailor? Doppler bubble, gravitational lensing, and the transit method are all key considerations in what? The correct answer is exoplanet identification. And next question. Seriously, still leading with 45,951 points. Let's move on. Question 67. Carbon sequestration is a natural or artificial process by which carbon dioxide is removed from the earth. True or false? Carbon sequestration is a natural or artificial process by which carbon dioxide is removed from the earth. The correct answer is false. Only one got the correct answer. Question 68. Which of these considerations is most important to a geoengineering reliant society? Is it cost, timescale, termination effect, or reversibility? Which of these considerations is most important to a geoengineering reliant society? Is it cost, timescale, termination effect, or reversibility? The correct answer is the termination effect. And 3 got the correct answer. And seriously is still leading. Question 69. Solar radiation comes to Earth as color, water, or visible light. Solar radiation comes to Earth as color, water, or visible light. 3 seconds, and the correct answer is visible light. 9 got the correct answer. And seriously is still leading with 46,861 points. Last of the 2 questions. Mount Pinatubo occurred in 1991 and briefly cooled the climate by how much? Is it 0.5 degrees Celsius? Is it 0.7 degrees Celsius, 2 degrees Celsius, or 1 degree Celsius? The correct answer is 0.5 degrees Celsius. And last question for tonight. Wormholes. What are wormholes? Is it Earth-like planets found in another solar system? believes that all creatures have rights and values, habitable zone able to sustain life, or possible bridge or gateway to a different universe. Wormholes are possible bridge or gateway to a different universe. And let's check the podium. WSC Science and Technology, third placer goes to RNS. Second place goes to Steven. And last place goes to, first place goes to Seriously. All right, so third, and we have runners up Ditya and Thalia. Great job. Again, third place, RNS. Second place, Steven. And
what happened when us get feedback?
Sorry?
What will happen when you press get feedback?
Oh, feedback. I'm gonna get feedback from you guys. Like if this is helpful, if our review or the quiz that you took is helpful. Yeah, that's it. Yes.
Many of the questions were just repeated.
Bye, teacher.
Is it deliberately done like that?
Yeah, because I actually I combined the different Kahoot sets I created. So like I created like 4 Kahoot sets for science and technology. So there are some questions that are repeated. So yeah. Yeah. Anyway, congratulations.
I didn't mean to be rude. That's all.
Yeah, it's okay. It's fine. Yeah. So I just combined all the Kahoot sets that I have, and then I put it in one. So there are some questions that were questioned. All right. So thank you so much, everyone, for 1 hour.
Will
again.
tomorrow there'll be a debate?
Let okay. So because for 2 weeks already, not really 2 weeks, but there are a lot of debates that were canceled because the students are not coming. So what I will be doing tomorrow is whoever will be coming, so we will be practicing the WSC format. Because like what I mentioned this afternoon, we I asked them to prepare their speeches beforehand. That is for the scholars to practice their writing their speeches. But for starting tomorrow, what we will be doing is whoever will be in the okay. So for everyone, all right. So for everyone who are here, what we will be doing for the debate is we're gonna whoever will be joining, okay, like for example, for tomorrow, whoever will be joining, I will be dividing you into rooms, okay, so the six debaters, 6 who wanted to try the debate, you will be divided into rooms so that you can discuss with your teammates, so that the affirmative will not hear the negative, or the negative will not hear the affirmative discussing about the topic. So same as with the WSC, what you will be doing is, or what we will be doing is, there will be 15 minutes. Okay. So for everyone who are here for the WSC, when you go to the debate in the WSC, you don't know the topic yet. Okay. So you will just be given the topic when you arrive at your debate room, same as, this simulation that we will be doing. You will be given the topic, and then you will be having 15 minutes to prepare. So you don't know if you're affirmative or negative, and you don't know what the topic is. Okay. So last time you were able to prepare your speeches. So if you will be joining tomorrow, you don't know the topic yet. You will be given 15 minutes to think, okay, to discuss with your teammates. All right.
Yeah, cool.
Okay. Do you understand, Angela? For Ditya, she knows what's happening with the debate. Gabby, Adam, okay? So Adam, so starting tomorrow, you don't know the topic yet. I will be giving the topic during your debate. All right? So you have 15 minutes to prepare. Okay? So it's the same debate process, or the same debate procedure that is done in WSC. So again, you don't know the topic. Yes.
Will the teams be shuffled again? Reshuffled?
Yes. Okay. So again, whoever will be joining tomorrow, And for the succeeding days, we don't know. Like maybe you are here tomorrow, maybe Adam will be here tomorrow. Again, 4 o'clock. We'll start 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock to 4:30, and you will be discussing with your teammates. What will be your strategy? Okay. Yes, it's a random topic. Okay, it's a random topic. So you don't know what the topic is. Okay. I might use topics that were used for the cancel debates. I might use those topics. So again, you don't know. You don't know what the topic is. You will just be given 15 minutes to prepare. So this again will make you, will help you. Okay, will help you to come up and collaborate, discuss with your teammates, right?
Yeah, right, right.
Yes. Okay, it's the same thing. Okay, so it's the same thing that's happening the with the WSC debate. All right. So for tomorrow, we are going to learn. Sorry, we're going to learn social studies. So kindly research, no more use. It might. Okay. No, because for tomorrow, what we will. Sorry, for tomorrow, like what I mentioned this afternoon. For tomorrow, what we will be using is yeah, is the topics that we discussed. What was the topic that you researched, Gabby? What was the topic that you researched? Again, we might use the topics, okay? Because a lot of them are not joining us. All right, so that's it. Okay, Adam. All right. All right. So that's it for today. And I'll see you tomorrow again. We're gonna review social studies tomorrow. Again, stay safe, everyone, and thank you for joining us tonight. Have fun learning and keep soaring
Bye.
high, egrets. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Yes, so that's it. Bye-bye.